My name is William C. Head, and I am a criminal defense lawyer who has spent nearly 4 decades meeting with over 10,000 people who have been arrested and released from jail. Clients tell me that being booked into jail and going through the total loss of freedom that jail brings was a life-changing experience. The number one word they use is humiliating, followed by degrading, in describing their experiences. Once the person bonds out of custody and breathes the fresh air outside the jail, the contrast between being caged inside a jail and walking freely outside takes on new meaning. Memories of being groped during the search, being fingerprinted for the first time, and having to pose for mugshots cause many people nightmares, particularly when they find out that this arrest information can be found on the web and possibly in the local newspaper or local television news. Included in my objectives for these clients are to avoid jail time or prison time in the event of a felony, clear the client's criminal record, keep the client driving if drug possession or drunk driving or drugged driving is involved. All of these objectives are critical to my clients' future job prospects. Usually their employment opportunities are directly connected to the client being able to achieve career goals and protect his or her family without a criminal record and by being able to drive. As a criminal lawyer, my job is to assess the criminal court case and look for ways to win. Once hired, we launch a comprehensive game plan for investigating the case and filing the necessary paperwork in court to assure obtaining the best possible outcome for that client's criminal matter. A criminal defense lawyer is accustomed to dealing with the fallout after arrest. Many clients' arrests for motor vehicle crimes like DUI, DWI, OUI, OWI are situational, meaning that the person was either going through a personal crisis or a high-stress situation at home or at work, or found himself or herself out for the evening and things just got out of hand. In other words, this arrest was out of character for this person who always tries to obey the law. Some of these incidents involve felonies such as vehicular homicide, vehicular manslaughter, serious injury by vehicle, or similar vehicular crimes that can lead a person to a prison sentence. Finding the right criminal defense lawyer for your criminal case is essential. Like with medical providers, you don't want a rookie assessing your criminal prosecution and guessing at the best game plan. A permanent criminal record can be like having cancer in that your life plan must be altered to deal with it. Many clients who first interview with me tell me that not being sentenced to prison is their top objective. When the arrest is for DUI, DWI, and their right to drive may be affected by violation of the implied consent law, creating an additional concern about the ability to drive. For many, the value of freedom to drive is second only to the freedom of movement outside of a jail cell and having access to fresh air. When legal problems land at your feet and you need to hire the best criminal defense lawyer possible for your local court case, remember that I have spent my entire legal career locating the top criminal defense attorneys in America. In the last 2 decades, I've created national affiliations of top-ranking criminal defense lawyers across America to help people like you fight their criminal charges. Call us today to find the right criminal attorney who will put in the time and put in the expertise necessary to obtain a great outcome for you. Our toll-free number is 844-832-6384. We want to help you get your life back.